Welcome. I'm really glad you're here. This is your quiet time. Your calm space. A small moment in your day just for you and your mind. For the next 10 minutes, there is nothing to achieve, nothing to solve, and nothing to get right. This is not a lesson. It's not a test. You don't need to repeat anything. You don't even need to try very hard. Just gentle listening. Find a comfortable position now. You can sit back in your chair, or lie down somewhere cozy. Let your hands rest. Let your shoulders soften. Let your jaw relax. Take one slow, easy breath in, and a soft breath out. Good. As you listen, your brain will begin to notice the sounds of English naturally, quietly, in the background. You don't have to force it. For the next 10 minutes, you don't need to study. You just need to listen, and let your brain grow in English. Now, let's gently wake up your imagination, in English. Picture a quiet morning room. Soft sunlight is coming through a window. The light is warm and golden, touching the floor and the walls. The room is peaceful and still. Nothing is moving too fast. The air feels fresh and calm. Near the window, there is a small table. On the table, you see a cup. Maybe it's tea, maybe it's coffee. A thin line of steam rises slowly into the air. The cup is warm, and the smell is soft and comforting. Outside the window, the world is just beginning to wake up. You might see trees moving gently in the light morning breeze. The leaves make a quiet, relaxing sound. Everything feels slow. Easy. Safe. Take a moment to really see this place in your mind. Can you see the room? What colors do you notice? Is the light bright, or soft? Does the air feel warm, or a little cool? There is no right answer. Just let the images come naturally, while you continue to listen. Your brain is already working in English, quietly, easily, in the background. Now, we take a small step forward. You have been listening. You have been imagining. And your brain is already warm and ready. This time, don't speak out loud. Just think, quietly, in English. No pressure. No perfect grammar needed. Just soft, simple thoughts. Let's begin. What did you do this morning? Take a few seconds, and answer in your mind. Maybe something small. Maybe something simple. I woke up at. I drank. I went to. Good. Now, bring your attention to this moment. What can you see around you right now? Are you in a room? Near a window? Sitting on a chair, or lying down? Think in easy sentences. I am sitting in. I can see. There is. That's enough. No need for long sentences. Now, something gentle. What is your favorite food? Don't translate. Just let the English words come. I like. My favorite food is. Nice and easy. And one more thought. What makes you feel relaxed? Maybe a place. A person. A sound. A time of day. I feel relaxed when. It makes me calm when. Very good. Remember, it's completely okay if your English is simple. Thinking is the training. And right now, your brain is learning to live in English, not just study it. Now, let's gently wake up your memory, in English. I'm going to say 5 simple words. Just listen, and try to remember them. Apple. Blue. Chair. River. Window. Good. Don't repeat them. Just let them sit quietly in your mind. While your brain holds those words, here's something interesting. your memory becomes stronger when you listen in a relaxed state. When you are calm, your brain stores language more easily, almost like placing books carefully on a shelf instead of throwing them into a box. And right now, your brain is calmly organizing those English words in the background. Now, let's check. How many words do you remember? Maybe all 5. Maybe 3. Maybe just 1. Any number is okay. This is training, not a test. Now take 2 of those words, any 2, and make one simple sentence in your mind. It can be very easy. The apple is blue. The chair is near the window. I see a river through the window. Simple is perfect. You are training 3 powerful skills at the same time: your memory, your vocabulary, and your ability to build sentences in English. And even remembering 1 or 2 words is real progress. Now we're going to make your brain a little quicker, but still calm. This time, answer quickly in your mind. No speaking. Just fast, simple English thoughts. Ready? Name 3 animals. Don't search for perfect words, the first ones that come are great. Good. Now, name 3 foods you like. Keep it easy. Keep it moving. Nice. Next, name 3 things in your room. Just look around in your mind and say the words silently in English. Great. And now, name 3 things you use every day. Maybe in the morning, maybe at work, maybe at home. Perfect. You might notice your brain moving a little faster now. That's good. This is how you train your mind to find English words more quickly, just like in real conversations, when you don't have time to translate. Speed with calm, that's the goal. And you're doing it right now. Now, let's use your imagination. And this time, let your thoughts be a little more creative, a little more free. Imagine you wake up tomorrow, and suddenly, you can speak English perfectly. You don't need to search for words. You don't need to translate. English just flows naturally. Who would you talk to first? Take a moment, see the person in your mind, and imagine what you would say. Now think, where would you go? Maybe a place in your city, maybe another country, maybe somewhere you've always wanted to visit. Picture yourself there, speaking easily, confidently. And how would you feel? Calm? Excited? Proud? Free? Let yourself feel that moment for a few seconds. Good. Now, one more small adventure. Imagine you are at home, and you find a secret door. Maybe it's behind a wall, under the stairs, or inside a closet. You open it. Where does it go? A beach? A quiet forest? Another city? Another world? Look around in your imagination, and describe the place silently in English. What can you see? What can you hear? How does this place make you feel? Beautiful. This is how English becomes natural, when your mind uses it to explore, imagine, and experience, not just study. Now, let's slow down. Take a soft, easy breath in, and let it out slowly. Think back on what you just did. You listened carefully, letting English flow into your mind. You thought in English, softly, gently, without pressure. You used your memory, recalling words and building sentences. You used your imagination, exploring new scenes, new possibilities, new adventures, all in English. All of this, quietly, gently, is how your fluency grows. Not all at once. Not in a rush. But step by step. Every small thought, every small image, every word you remembered, is part of your English brain training. You are learning, just by being here, just by listening, just by thinking. And now, a few quiet words before we finish. Just 10 minutes a day, that's all it takes to change your brain. Fluency is not magic. It doesn't come from luck or talent. It comes from small, consistent mental training, day after day. Even if it feels small, even if you only remember one word, or imagine one scene, your brain is improving. Every time you listen, think, and imagine in English, you are building new pathways, making your mind faster, clearer, stronger. So, take a moment to feel proud, for showing up, for practicing, for giving your brain this gentle training. Your English brain is getting stronger, and tomorrow, it will be a little faster, a little clearer, and a little more confident. Thank you for spending these 10 minutes here, just listening, just thinking, just growing.